Good morning, my friends. So I walked out to the woods behind my apartment building thinking my snowshoes were going to make it much easier. They didn't, so I took them off. We'll see how it is when I head back. I'm not that far in. That was pretty exhausting. The snow is super deep. So today is Prayer Request Monday. And for those who didn't see my previous live about that, every Monday I come on live and ask people for their prayer request if they need an extra prayer warrior to help them out with their prayers this week. I'm your girl. You can post it on Facebook or you can private message me. You can also say unspoken. You don't have to be specific. And I will bring that to the Lord in prayer all week for you. So yeah, it's beautiful. I actually have my littles coming today for a few hours. So super stoked about that. I don't know if they're going to be able to play out in the snow or not today. Like, it is deep. So, I hope that you're taking care of you today. I know that there is a lot of sadness and doubts in the world, but know that the good Lord sees it all, and we're going to bring our burdens to Him today, and we're going to ask Him for strength and grace and peace in our hearts today when things in the world around us are out of our control. We can always be sure to know that our God is always in control. So I hope that you have a wonderful day today and that you're staying home, keeping warm, and keeping safe. And yeah, till the next time, have a great day. Bye.